McBrown's Kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's Kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Beautiful people, my name is Nana McBrown, and you know it's McBrown's Kitchen. Ediana Pede. Nana Dian India. A very simple and just say it will be tasty. A bear dan kasa. McBrown's Kitchen. Just so mama said Ediana Pede, kitchen wakamu, near number biana jo yo. Baby bia beko. And that's so ya said pie. Or he might be fee. Aye. Yeah, send money you did. Yeah, baba manemra. Come. Mwamunim dada sa McBrown's Kitchen dear. High sense adaroma. Tasty Tom adaroma. Indomie instant noodles. Delayed mackerel and sardine. Minazen food spices. And a wake purified water. Honey. Yes, ya ne aye duane no na ye baabe no. Ebusuafo mata de every royal couture. Royal na amama straight sa no. Aye. And Aligina makeover. As I say me home. Nyonyo food and a chemi crew ediane and apple pie publicity every what mommy. Sanson a La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and support me. Na me pesa otina sidina ye be bomb komo. Me a musician. Minim the career so a musician. So a actress. Minim who she is. She has to tell me. Or no also a canning nature. You know, my entrance who says Siamra McBrown's Kitchen and I can't tell the underped. Me ba sisia. Wo ma busia mo no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
Awadi bebre. Nim dia bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pa bia ye ma busia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti e ba na duane no ade a. Me use so tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Enya duane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber. A ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you nechi dear biona meshe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty Tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty Tom. Emediane yede. Eyema also.
Okay. Hello, Felicia. Hello. Kojo minti o. Oh. Hello. Akatu the obesa free. Oh, many message. Kojo mi hu. You message you. Oh, now then I was Wow.
What a food and meat. Benny Akono. Hello.
Kwayo.
What nonsense?
My son no picture one.
My papa.
I mean didi.
The financial this ano.
Your living room brassia.
Maybe. Okay.
Champion lady. Your mother to you.
Oh, my uncle.
Madam Hassans, may you knew. It is Madam Hassans. What's in your now when I'm over sick because fully quan a your bomb cassiapa, then Brastia. Who will never done.
Now, what's the high sense phone car? When you say high sense, your phone, your ranges be bring. High sense phone, and they WhatsApp you, and you did Twitter, a Facebook, a Snapchatting, the patrol, you did Instagram. Intimacy of one media, Pato baby. Now, high sense phone, you cry what? You're from what's in the Claire? We talk when you know what? Yeah, Claire. Everything 28 August, I come in 8 September. Bora High Sense showroom, the only that I say Madam High Sense. Yeah, just to stay.
Now, Kojo, unso be mommy. High Sense phone, over to
High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Mommy, me how? I don't know what my was saying. Me that's fine. This is Ben out here, Biani. Dia ho baba so ye bi na me. Oh, I can say one away. I mean, catch it up. Men food spices. And no as is here air trick. Wo ba pa bia is so nya bi wo kitchen. Say the be ya wo bintimi kwajuku. What I say? Na ya da bi oba fi ha wo didi. One way. Men jollof flavor. Men chicken flavor. Men fish flavor. Now the other devil any lion's nutmeg powder.
Men food spices. What shema warrior man.
Men say now will be new if it's with menazin any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
351251.
I was for and then my boy the SM family. Now, we baby say na SM papa na eba na say SM mama. Ai we be hu ni sesia na me kai wo say high sense and the boy me chidom, tasty tom and the boy me chidom, Indomie instant noodles na boy me chidom, delay mackerel and sardines so ka ho. Minazen food spices and a wake purified water. Mean to me konya omo. I was for DJ play me the song yemfa any share me baby me queen that's some queen hey mala oh la la let's go hey Shatta Michy what's our two best your mommy edu dia na matwe mama eji la lobo we wu na we ti ato ma go gorilla me I love you oh vanilla mama mia we show them go tempo hey na video in na atwa kama why you wanna just say akono say ya low tempo ye call low tempo okay my baby I like oh for my side oh no be catch me no be this time oh no be this time me banko you drink about you are daddy and I know about me well you know we are the best in the love for the road mama and you my daddy I be one girl away no about me mala oh la la baby girl oh la la oh la la oh la la oh la la thank you, baby. And you walk around me and make mala, oh la la, baby. Low tempo. Hey, the same musician and actress. Brim. We are brim. We are making money in a real sense,
you know.
And no. Which you are where you means you. Into my mates me mounts you. My men serve you beer.
Wait, dear.
Majesty, come,
let's go. Come to mommy, come.
Come on. Majesty, there's a papa 90% now. 10.
The blood is boiling.
Super.
The blood is boiling.
Majesty, come on.
Come over, come. Come.
SM home new.
You don't want to cook? Okay, come.
You want to cook? Yo. You want to wear apron? Then I'm money be. Bra.
You want some water?
Come and cook. Me. They me move here. Hey, yeah, dear. Next time, bring your father, okay?
Daddy can't even boil water.
Daddy will boil water for McBrown's kitchen. Bruh, what are you coming to cook, Majesty? You don't know.
What's this? Can you cook this?
Majesty, what is this? Indomie. Can you cook Indomie?
Yes.
Yes. Hey, what you? Hey, eh?
Majesty, what's this?
My father likes her. Well, be so blender to see. Majesty, go and sleep. What? No. I should remove it. I was family fear and McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, they are baby. Put the jam on your baby. Yeah, best man. Hey, everybody. I am fancy. Yeah, sorry, and two your baby.
Jackie Chan.
Shut up, about McBrown's kitchen here. Aye, and that with the mechanic, na mom, they are baby.
Is it nice?
Take it.
You want to take Debbie Koda? Yeah, and the oven up. Famu the fair prawn Koda. Oh, go with the prawn.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
I'm going to cook, okay?
Bye.
See
My
you.
father like son. Go and don't come back again. No one you can't cook. Wow. I was have SM. Fear na ya wono. Say moja na papa moja. 50 na. We are 10, we are 10
But the thing is say, I won't say on the side no. Oh you allowed in China mo no. But maybe there's a boiling kakra.
Who dem see a boiling kakra.
Baby, what say me dem makoyo buy
until you keep it underground.
But you tell me now so there.
What tell now say down be wo. What no. McBrown's kitchen. Ediana Pede. I was for Shatta Michy. Waba say obe popo. If you think that she can't cook, and you better stay and watch till the end, you know. And you know, and you know, can't never come. What I said.
Oh yeah, and
so Michy, before we do whatever we have to do,
we need to wash our hands.
Ma wo be bia ho ma. Nti aka wa oni pedua no. So obe ho ne kama, yeah. That's rameti. But Michy, that's so yes, so me and Shatta and Michy no.
One kind of sound.
And you thank God so what? The opposite.
It's not that, you know, Shatta Michy can't be taken away from me like Tina Turner can't be taken away from Tina Turner and anything, but
I can't hold.
It's my brand, so with or without you, it's my brand. On stage, I'm Shatta Michy, but once as a woman, I've gotten to a point where I don't want to just be known for crazy, reckless. Meaning, I've made mistakes, I have learned, and I'm making new decisions.
Okay. And no song that bro for no, so that you can be enjoyable.
I'll show you.
What are you? Into Michy, what's the idea and no be tell? Is this Shatta's favorite or your favorite?
It's my favorite. Sometimes when you say come do, but person was just who be intense, you know.
You're now rapiana.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Into say you be intense there. Your diani, diani.
Rice and shrimp sauce, and we have crab sticks into it.
Oh, okay.
Just to spice up. Yeah, vegetables.
Now who Indomie so ha?
Indomie no, but you know, the touch X factor. Yeah, the big cut rice no.
Indomie be cut rice no. Nah, you shrimp and crab stick sauce.
Yeah.
And yes, and I am by a simple food. Quick. All right, Michy, you best start to say yen kwa no.
Let's start with our rice and
our rice. Rice no so then yeah. Madam Hisense, I do it here for you.
Wow.
Hey, rice no so no. Wait there. Me company be anam no me Royal Feast for.
Okay.
And the man am saying.
I think I use it.
Men no ama wo. Enti no. Ye no ani na ho.
Okay. The two of us. No one else is invited.
Simple. Enti no. Obe she unsuo no. So I say, me machine, tina me gina ho no. Me shaman, me machine, me shut.
But then nice pound.
Oh, I do a Hisense.
Really?
That's it to say who. Into what you dear.
Me free hand me call.
Into no.
Just a little.
Yeah, the enchine. Good morning. Say the simple food, mammy for winning no more, and I was wow, yeah, okay. A simple food and pat because I'm only on the baby, and still no so bed on the baby, not to say. I can't tell say, am I?
I would love to add a touch of butter kakra. Thank you.
Me pacho the butter kakra. To a morning. Butter
flavor. You know,
to morning.
Me a fantini kakranchi.
Oh, okay. Auntie. And fantini into say what I said.
Some small chiches.
Yeah, the butter kakra atum. But what can one on to make me a cataso?
Try me, come on, answer. I'm left-handed, if you forgive me.
Oh, okay. And you won't say anyone rice. We are coming to cook rice. Into me a cook rice. And that's all.
Yeah,
the big cook when you have an you add a
pressure cooker.
No, be sure and I see a shit and I be
it will cook perfectly.
It will cook perfectly.
Okay.
Into no. Kukua no. Yeah, them way I see just where we are. So indomie, so the touch
and but no rice no yabe. Thank you. A yabe kakra, then we would put the indomie inside.
And more never near.
It's indomie no once it's soft, we can't cook it.
Okay. With the now I mean so janoma wa ha na
let me.
I was for Shatta Michy. Na Michy. When you so?
I know what you are driving at.
Michy.
It didn't society.
It's still
Shatta Michy.
It's still Shatta Michy.
I mean, the love is always there. We have built this empire. I can't let it go like that.
Hey, I like that. It doesn't mean say and Kofuaki can say no breaky, you know, mama back no say still strong one.
Oh, strong. They were always strong, but don't say.
Michy can no come on.
We're
I'm
always strong, no matter what. He's my son's father, my first child's father, and it's not just a relationship. I always say we've lived life together. All right. We've lived a good life together. We are testimony to other couples.
Yes.
I remember those days. My mom said, and I can say, but I have come to understand, say, he would appreciate that.
Yes.
Like you helped him in this journey.
Yeah.
And to other couples, they look at our story like, there are women who will look at me and be like, let me be patient in my marriage. Because, you know, life there.
Yeah.
It can change at any second.
Yeah.
Instead of looking for the abin and then you get there and then it's more trouble than maybe what you thought was not good for you, no?
And that I say, no, me opinion. And they say, no, whatever happened, you guys are back and still strong.
Yeah, we're strong. We're co-parenting.
You guys are back and still strong.
Yeah, we're back and strong.
Co-parent, don't be back to baby. I can't help Michy. Come on.
The person is in the
say you are have it. What I come home, Mama cry. And I
would me.
Maybe dear, stupid. And I never come with you. Now come me down. What I mean, cause I'm my name. I was out for the shrimp, no. I see just a shrimp, no. Yaman and Sioka crow home. And I didn't crack a good shrimp, no. Not just say,
I want to cut my vegetables.
Cut your vegetables, okay. Into no sauce, no, a very simple one. No, oil and coal.
Debbie, not yet. I don't use too much oil to cook.
Okay.
So bad, yeah. So show her cholesterol. I love to use my butter.
I don't mind. Ebe hwe de wo be bia anti no. Ya wo pese wo ye bia, it's good for us. Hey, Chef Michy. You be blend bibia na.
Patron, you be blend it.
Na menya na ready.
So
You be blend the pepper.
You be blend the pepper kakrebi, ginger, green pepper.
Okay. And also where you garlic so.
Patron, just for the start, you know na you the man flavor.
Okay.
Very
very soon. So konna say, I say unya me blender e bia me pa cho de nya bote kakra bi man. Ya de ba. Very soon. A big good showroom mama de dudu ape bia benya 20 no. Blender me unsa nkrofo ani gi ho pa. Ne ho den. The way they ask me blender is man na ma wa.
Patron mami ayowa.
Me ma ayowa.
If you have an ayowa.
If she meet me, I give you an ayowa and take the blender aside, and you will put her, and I will look at you. Put her in, and nice as still no be bianca cranka. Shatta Michy pemeko. Hey, Michy-licious. Na Michy say Ghana for your name say. You who's a war acting. You who's a war bonyo. And you say from the camp of SM, and now say Mr. SM Wintino. Automatic Mrs. SM. Ever two one eja. Yen na any bounce so. One who say, I say, who ye TV series be say visa.
Yeah.
And now who the first?
Debbie me bo low tempo first.
Who bo low tempo first?
Patron. And I made the year Cocoa Brown. For delay. For your delay. Patron.
And to say, we are actress and I am musician.
One thing about me, I'm Pesek Ghana for NTS and say, I see people criticize me sometimes, say, I'm doing everything song. I'm a versatile woman. And means to me, because I'm picking this one thing and trying to be,
okay.
To be perfect, I can use this, yes. Patron. I say, you know, Nyami make talent to be, and I can't just pick one and make say to say the man I'm with, you know. The only thing he is blessed with, not the only thing, but what we all know he's blessed with is music.
Yeah.
I can do so many other things. I can do business, I can do clothing. I'm a trained cabin crew attendant.
Oh, okay.
You know, I've been in a little of everything, Monsieur Bibi, and I'm good at everything. I'm a jack of all trades.
Yeah. Into the one I'm ebeko shrimp in the home. Okay. We are done with it.
So I just want to check on this.
Yeah, shrimp no yeah. Check now. Why steak no so crab steak no so.
That will go in last because it's soft.
Because it's soft. Na Michy I low tempo net me to say about cheating. Cheating, no say when a man do, you do the same too.
When a man cheats on you, cheat on him too.
When Shatta cheat on you, will you cheat on him too?
Debbie, I'm not saying say me cheat on him.
So why are you telling people when the husband cheated, they should cheat too?
Sana girl be sure on Facebook say when I released the song, Okoto when the boyfriend in him no born asu.
Why no born asu?
If you have a point of you have to explain say. Me say cheating, no man can say cheat literally. It just my memory who say, if you don't appreciate me,
give me.
It's hot. Be careful. If you don't appreciate me, I would choose my happiness.
One side.
Yeah.
One side. Okay, so our butter is in now, right? Now, yes, what's now UK kakra?
Norway.
Norway.
Yeah.
Oslo.
Trondheim.
I say no way, there baby airport like Oslo and do Really? Oh, okay.
So the motive of the song, you know, it's not that go and cheat, but you know, I started a woman empowerment movement, and we're as a woman empowerment, and I fund that. I just want women to, in Ghana or in Africa, women cannot say certain things. Into, you know, even in some religions, tribes, Oba Warina, her husband is maltreating her, your parents can send you back home. Okay, yeah, better enough, you cool, but you have mom warnings, your mom points. So be careful. I love you, but I'm not stupid. That's it, man. Can't say go and cheat.
Oh, okay. Like when your man is cheating on you.
Yes, just
it's like
let's just be
my
bold.
My guy, be careful. I love you, boy. When it keeps on like
you
that,
know,
that kind of thing. Anna,
Patron.
No.
It's just that.
No.
Patrominya oil kaka.
Yes. And to which me actually. Okay. So something baby. Kakre.
It is Slay Queen's dinner.
Slay Queen's dinner.
I'm actually very honored to be on your show. Yes.
You're very big. Yeah, it's your kakra room.
Kakra. I just, I do it this way so that all the flavor, no.
Will come out.
By the time I may ready to make sure a little tomato stew no. Now, all this flavor is already
okay.
Because we didn't marinate from the beginning, I guess. Yeah.
The one I will marinate
no. Fast.
Okay.
No. I'll add it to the stew later.
Oh, okay. Now and then stew no here, no.
Debbie. We're just, making the shrimps taste good.
Okay, because we stress mubeshi.
Debbie. Don't worry. We're good.
We are good.
And
it's where you be and I say ben.
You be here to plate or a bowl or something.
Yeah. And the way you go right. I was for maybe I do carry me why there, sir. What me the deal now?
That's the whole idea.
Not as I want now crown. So the best see her and sauce near back on the same.
I'm putting.
Maybe
I know, so this looks like burnt kakra, but we're still going to use this base for the stew, no?
Because we know you know, tasting you know,
we'll use this.
Are we blending anything?
We're going to blend tomatoes.
Me for blend an umbra.
Patchoy.
Okay. You have blend it and kasa. Say back on the near diagro. Like a crab in here for the eye, you blended tomato.
The thing with me is I like to cook in kaka. And see, if you live with me, if you're around me, you always have fresh food to eat.
Yeah.
Me and see ho.
If they say you blended tomato, garlic,
and pepper,
ginger, pepper, and green pepper.
Yes.
On toast, they're all fine.
That's all. And yes, stew, because we're still going to use kakra.
And I said I just stew giddy yes.
Tasty tom
kakra so I can. Oh, okay. Because I didn't see blending, so we can add more water.
Yes. It would all dry up.
Yeah. My blending. Okay. It's the end of for. I want to say that pemeko.
I like the food spicy.
I'm here, my just you.
Oh, wait.
And I will confront me.
Who's
There we, Mr. Me and try you man.
Possible.
So bad, you're by the first, you'll be some blender.
Oh, wow.
1 minute. I saw. Wow. You didn't need the one way Slay Queen's food. Into no, and you giddy. And you near my pea. Every night I say, Bibia, Kakra, near memory, I see over Brahman on son or today because I always want to eat fresh food and we cook in beds.
Nippon cook and jam kakra.
Yeah, my cheddar. Yeah, see, I owe any money for see and some consider. We don't waste.
I still need a little more water.
A little more water. Yeah. Why would she said you okay? Okay.
Now I need you high.
Yeah, the tasty tom kakra.
Just a little.
Texture.
Yeah, texture. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nimbi ma we. Me pra. Anyway, taste it on the yeah.
Yeah, na.
On na wo kro no. Be simple.
So easy.
Yeah, abrofonsa. Emunya densa. Wasan ka ma me. Kwada so girl. Me. One day.
Oh, but since I have small bantama blood in me,
bantama,
small bantama, and you know,
and a
some smaller body. You're afraid you're Nima.
Now, what you did?
I've Nima never come.
Wow, Nima, they're so adopted.
Yeah, and I said me, I over adopted the thing. I've been teaching you.
Now, meet you where, dear?
I'm Fancy. My mom is Fancy, and my dad is Norwegian.
Oh, I'm here, Fantini. Now, Papa free Norway.
Yes, and Mammy Fancy Asante.
Fancy Asante.
Yes, that's where the Bantama side comes.
Bantama side they come,
and then Fancy from
Bantama. They people, man. I said the
Kona. Oh, she's so bro. You know, when you see the face, you see that
Say me, baby, I make a cancer.
Yes, I know, right?
Yeah, but then let me check on the
rice. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Michi, I think say baby, don't know more na be you.
For real?
Ooh. Enti indomie no. And I hear bubu agu your rice ni mo. Indomie there. Vapor no kwa betumi ano. Vapor na ntino. Say ya indomie. And I hear bubu agu emo no. Kwani ani. Mahu ni opesa oche no.
You see that?
The X factor. Mehupa.
Mama for baby.
So mehuza wo say
penny baby.
Mehu. Next time me share obi a mehu nya no way. Bibia kakra. Enye bebre bibia kakra. Nebasa obe use the spices na say.
Kakra.
Na no be stew ni.
We can put that in the stew actually.
Yeah. Yeah, mama dili ma no kata so.
I just saw the stew.
Me fancy ka.
I'm turning in the shrimp sisiao.
Shrimp ni komo
I try.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Still cooking. Oh, what was our sauce nani you know?
Finito.
Now, still crab steak is standing here.
Yeah, crab steak will go in last.
Okay.
You see some spices over there.
This is Minazen spices. And this is Minazen fish and Minazen chicken flavor. So which one?
Since we're cooking seafood.
So we use a fish.
Yes, please.
Wow. What do you mean? Like a gra, but I hate you. Me show. Hey, and also where you be?
Hey.
Also, I don't know so doing yeah.
And there are people that are really hungry.
Mr. DJ, share. And you know I will barbecue. That is the song of the moment. Shatta Michy, low tempo, look, Mathieu cheating. Na am so diagro. Honestly, I nyumu aye banger, aye hit. Yo, Mr. DJ. Let it go. Come on. Hey.
Impressed.
Hey.
No.
Too much, man.
Shatta Michy never come for job.
Daddy, spend the money. Hey, daddy, spend the money, daddy, spend the money, daddy, let the cash flow.
Our food is ready.
Let the food burn. Come on, let's go. Hey. Tia nyom no.
Give me that lollipop. I'm done though.
Come on. Yeah, video no. Daddy, yo, spending money. Daddy, yo, spending money. Daddy, yo, spending money. Daddy, yo, spending money.
Oh my.
I was for who's a Shatta Michy show. My friend, season.
I know, right?
Baby, I'm season.
And we are done.
We are done.
Yep.
Oh, Jan and I come on. Michy. Yeah. Baby, I don't know what's up for. Yes, you and I are ready. Yeah, Mona Bay. I think some of my Simaka crab and I ain't trying home. Yeah, but McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, but didn't come personally. Me name Michy personally.
Well, my bussy, no. Oh, Pia, the puppy breed.
I'm home.
Me dear, at the pepia, Yama Mebusiano, me pen be brave. And no tea abanadian no idea. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. And yet, Dianeno decakio. And yani no bit is a vitamins and a fiber. A Yemeni pediano woman. When you nachi, dear Biona Meshe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enrich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and the fiber woman. Tasty tom. Emediane yede. Yema also.
Okay. Hello, Felicia. Hello. Could you mean you? Oh, hello. I can't see the best free. Oh, my message. Could you mean who? Who message you? Oh, now then I was. Wow. What a food and meat. Benny Okono. Hello.
Kwayo.
What access?
My son no picture one.
Papa. I mean, the financial design.
Your living room brassia.
Maybe. Okay.
Champion lady.
Your mother to me.
Oh, my uncle. Madam Hassans, may in you. It is Madam Hassans. What's the you know when I'm basic because fully quan a bomb cassia, then brassia. Who will be done?
Now, what's the high sense phone? When you say high sense, your phone, your ranges be bring. High sense phone, and they WhatsApp you, and you did Twitter, a Facebook, a Snapchatting, the patrol, you did Instagram. Intimacy of bomb media, Pato baby. Now, high sense for your crowd. Your flower, what's in the Claire? We talk when you need one, and yeah, Claire. If it's 28 August, I call him 8 September. Bora High Sense showroom, you wouldn't that I say Madam High Sense. Yeah, just to stay.
Now, could you also be money? High Sense for nobody.
High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Mommy, I don't know what my was saying. That's fine, there's a band out here, Bianni. Oh, I can say a one. I mean, catch it up. Men are there food spices. And no as is here a trick. Wo ba pa bia is so nya bi wo kitchen. Say the be wo bintimi kwajuku. What I say? Na ya da be obefi ha wo didi. One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Now the other devil any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazi food spices. What shema warrior mama.
Mentenance. Now will be new if it's with menazen. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
351 251.
Delay sardine, peche like that.
I will say I drew addition. So McBrown's kitchen and you're on a bad day. And then I know Sam Shatta Michy was surprised a lot of you because still no no and you giddy biao, but I said one more quando. What I say? And what kind of slave quiz food? Michy, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Send them a prayer or not. You know it was a short notice.
Yes, yes.
And you were like, oh my God, I'm honored. I'm happy.
I know, right?
You know,
any day.
But then, Michy, so I heard me show you be pass. So when him say you don't come and go empty.
Okay.
This is the only show. Uba sponsors no beer and a package. Shit, upesika. Hey, akula we sanate. And them am the be man change ska.
Wow.
They di kind what they ben. Na yen so we mu. Ana mpesa wa nipa na eka. Na yen fan to ha say. Me pa cho. Who goes school? What is this?
It is an iron.
What is this?
It is a cooker.
Where every high sense say. Yen fan da was say.
Wow.
Who to wata dia? Na we dia one dance na we shirayen. Teach you McBrown's kitchen. Aye. Fatu Majesty uniform non fan ko school. Wow. No to Shatta so jacket ni we ko show sa no your first cab fie sa na no ayo.
High sense.
High
Thank
sense
you
in
so
gas
much.
and
Wow.
iron. You're welcome,
Thank you
darling.
so much.
Now what do you see?
Awake, orange apple, royal apple.
Yes.
Majesty.
You know I'm the brand ambassador for Royal Drinks.
Wow, congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, you are a hardworking woman. Please keep it up.
Thank you so
Keep
much.
motivating us.
Amen.
Thank you, High Sense. Thank you, Royal.
Now, thank you.
Thank you, Madam High Sense.
Yeah.
Hey, more goodies for me.
Yes, Michy. What is this?
Indomie. Oh my.
Yeah. Mama fancy amana.
Nobody should come to my house for special Indomie.
Hey, who was special way? What do you?
And just slay queens, you know.
Slay queens food. Michy, what is this?
Tasty
Again?
Tasty
tomato mix. And
thank you. Like all this for me.
More to come.
Come here, or something.
And then I just am And then, what is this?
Delay.
Where
the baby will feel. They come a collection.
And what is this? Minazen food spices.
Yes.
Yes, Michy. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming. I'm so happy. Say, oh, bye. I was here for dear McBrown's kitchen, ye to me, ye. Their name sponsors, ye to me, ye. Yantanas and India. Now, me cost what they are said, I'm a High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mix with vitamins and fiber. Delay mackerel, delay sardine. Pecha like that. Nampadum penim, you know. And some Indomie instant noodles. Indomie tastes great. And simply taste the idea a Minazen food spices. Into say who was sponsors to say yeah, definitely you're going to have a great show. Now show no so be da. if you me guess what. Baby, I do the edition. Aye. Edition and you do so. You know edition. Edition.
Oh.
Yeah, but the edition.
Edition. Oh. Okay. Oh, when am I several?
Now also a mono. Ya no awie bi mono cross have slay wom.
Aye.
Mate slay me.
Because if wow.
Indomie no ne hyehyemu no. Wow. Fancy for the ebe slay aduane no.
Smells good, eh?
Hey. Fancy Crovenzo. Me come here. Maybe Sasamu. Me chada me
mama say you for Cape Coast.
Cape Coast.
Sana me mama.
Sana mama akano. Cape Coast. Oh, okay. But no way on there. O baba so say u free.
Trondheim.
Na asante side so here.
Bantama
ka na den menya bi medi minis when ya bro when ya hustler.
Oh, me a hustler at a point. Hey, manantini madao.
Hustler.
When I joined
passport, who a hustler?
When I joined the SM family, no. I saw a different side of life. Bakoye.
Yes, late.
I saw.
Oh boy. So
we are over quite top.
I said we haven't had that come on. They do on my any TV. So what? Wow. Yes, lady. I didn't know I was here. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, Michi, there. We never can say who be diagobi, but it looks like who in the way now buy. Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, Nana McBrown. Mr. Odina, you're McBrown. I'm McBrown, you know. And then the queen herself is serving the Shatta.
Yes.
What's he saying? The SM queen is serving Shatta, Empress Shatta. Me, I'm in here. I was for your mom pie. Not yendi. Father, we ask you to bless this in Jesus' name. Amen. So say there. Holy Ghost na mna na mo ndimi e bibia ono ana di kan. Abusuafo. Michi.
Yes, darling.
Did you cook this food?
Yes.
Wow. You don't only slay. You slay in the kitchen too.
Cute. This is nice. Packet, you're not.
What packet?
New coffee.
What do you coffee? Oh! Fair. Oh, and your man, I'm there. I can't imagine my you.
Good day, you less. Did
you cook this food? Did you really cook this?
I did. Do you like it? Very honest.
Let me be honest. Ediane no first name say Obonkro. Name say Odiagro, me ntwa. O ya no for kakra na there akro so. Na no anya stew ni bebre. Ediane na do. Me ntwa. No. Ediane.
And you can taste a little of everything.
So me to no na ejejeme. Ediane na de papa. So Michi, let's come to Uswa Kakra no near because they say who is Michi? Michi is a musician, an actress, a mother, the SM queen.
Yeah.
Wow. And you mentioned Bibi, they say you Norway, Ghana. Unyini Kakra or Norway now, Unyini Kakra. Ube ko school Kakra or Ghana.
Yes. I did a lot of school. I went to Infantiman Girls.
Okay. Infantiman Girls.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now, I call Zenith College, I call Wisconsin. I also mentioned earlier that my year cabin crew, I know you're flight attendant. I'm a trained flight attendant.
No. Where are you maybe of flight, Munda?
Debbie, I couldn't. Say, disqualified by tattoos and showbiz.
Oh.
They are not visible in the uniform. Shouldn't be visible. See. Disqualify me. But I still, no. I don't feel.
Push long sleeves.
But still, and it's big. What I say,
I don't know when to me and you play.
No, it was because of some Ghana Miss Niger program. Yeah, me share transparency because you that stage, you know, so no. Said the following Monday, I was supposed to go for my final interview. That mean him say, out of 500 girls, I pick you a better.
Oh, everybody.
Okay. But me drew interview after the Ghana Miss. My call back Sunday, no, na me call die, me key back to black. And, you know, my share me corporate Monday morning, my betting now. I said, "Mom, baby, somebody said, are you into anything show business?" Me say, "Oh, no, not at all. I don't." And whoa, Papa, I couldn't cut a newspaper. I didn't know it had been published. Oh, it's your daddy paper. No, this is me with my buttocks and my red hair. But I kind of felt bad when that happened because it looked like I had been lying, but I won't say I was lying, but I was capable of handling it. It shouldn't have disqualified me.
But I'm real word, man.
But Omokra, the Omodian say, I know, I see you munching. It's about the time, and they are two very time-consuming jobs. It's like you can't serve God and serve Satan at the same time. Yeah. Are you showbiz? Are you airline?
Into your disqualify with now, baby, now.
Oh, but one day we met up playing na me ankasa.
Nah, we are new me. And you know what me will say, okay, say no eboame. Sikabiaba. Show be,
yeah, I get you. Music there, it was something that was actually, I can sing. Gobian him say at home there, I'm a bathroom singer, I'm in a bathroom now. And when he's recording, I like to harmonize most of his songs. You hear my tiny voice and I know them, hear the back. And see, that just came about, say, you know, one day or say, record something, make us see. And then boom, low tempo, it was good. Then we had Go Shoddy. But Music Nako, say he discovered it and he is like my teacher.
Teaching you.
Yes, right now. And I wouldn't want to brag too much about the music. I'm still learning. But me who said I have potential to make it.
Now, you said something you were into business.
Yeah.
Business, man, now years ago.
A lot. I have a movie production company. I have a clothing company. I'm into food and catering on the side. I know they're on the low business.
Catering?
Yes. Clothing. You need water?
I need water. I need a very chilled one. Yes. You are a learner now.
And a fast one.
A very fast one.
So,
really, because your last song. Yeah,
you're feeling that song.
Oh, come on.
Eventually, music will start paying me. Big time. I just need to focus on it. But what brings me money would be my clothing business. It will be my food. A small scale pure water.
Yeah.
Small scale. I know they're on the low.
Pure water business. No kakra. Don't worry. When it comes to the music, the teacher Shatta away.
He's always
Yeah.
That one day, I wouldn't put too much pressure because I know he's there.
He's there.
Yeah.
And now with the clothing business, no. And who toned there now?
Debbie, I design kaftans, Mema kaftans. I'm friend luxurious kaftans. But I use the best quality fabric for, you know, native wear. They're Nigerian wear. I just design and then I have people so. But from music, acting, women empowerment. Because the women empowerment movement through the foundation is something that
I saw you launching something.
Yes, engineer that rebranding. No, I said I'm growing up to encourage everybody else to grow up with me.
Yeah, you say that rebranding. No, now I say who say oh you be to say then.
And those, you know. We've made mistakes. We've been young and, excuse me to say, stupid. I know, dear, it's allowed. I don't regret nothing I've done, and I don't want to be judged for anything. But certain mistakes, my name said Messiah, I did know. Growing up, I have to change it.
Yeah.
Not because people are criticizing, for my own sake.
And then for the baby.
And for the baby.
Now you're a mother.
And he looks up to me.
Yes. Because I see you with him almost every day. Bibi or how you have the opportunity to let us know.
Honestly, one thing I have learned, I'm not too old, but one thing I have learned is those days not me school baby. I should have learned a skill. Yeah. Which can pay me. I want to teach girls entrepreneurial skills. You know, how to start a business with little or no capital at all. Aside that, you know, I am not to say Ghana girls. We have, not Ghana girls that, so we have an attitude that we have to change because you change here. It would push all of us if we can support each other. You know, I'm just trying to build that movement of love, movement of support between us women. Yes.
This is the new Michy. Because we are rebranding. We're branding ourselves. As a mother, I mean, we learn every day. We even learn from our children.
Yes. True.
Yeah.
True.
I'm sure the majesty to me, yeah, baby, now. Well, hey.
Yeah.
Mine smart, baby.
Seriously.
You know, we learn from them all the time. Michy, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. McBrown's Kitchen. Diana Pede. Ebusia for Michy. Diana no I'm not lying.
Yeah. Thank you.
Diana no Inti Ghana for I had na yedi show no besi. Nana McBrown and Shatta Michy. And no sene what would Niama be, and you have fallen in love with her again. And now more.
Right.
You know, more. On the Shatta, they are back. They're moving on. And we're wishing the best. For they said that Ebema High Sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. High Sense, you'll be BRB, mobile phone, air condition, TV, fridge, home theater, rice cooker, gas, whatever cooker. Bibia we here with your blender, bibia, we your High Sense. Until you say everyday prices for everyday people. The crowd be also know there. Sana tasty Tom, more jollof, and toasted back pair vitamins and fiber womb. The only tomato mix, a one marketer, vitamins and fiber, a womb, a Yemeni pediano. Indomie instant noodles, and they said they're different and wing. I come what I say, a mono, yeah, the X factor of the rice. I am so nice. Who say I say woody indomie, I say more kakra, and the Michy still no so pepper. Who just say a shishewaya. Into indomie for Madame was say indomie no answer the just no I would me the framo so now we would me a non qua with vegetable, would me a non qua with me spices next. I mean indomie, Madame was say. Sana Minazen food spices. The only spices are a natural one market. Simply tasty. I was for awake. I come sponsors. You know already. You know it. You know what time it is. Yeah, cheers. Awake purified water. One for life. Because Bakubi Abeto Biano. Kakra Eko Kwale. Yeko Cardio Center. Edeko Bois. Emma Yenuamo Yema Memo. Yadofo Asebe. Omuhu akodi ahwa no. Omusu enya sonfa. So into awake mama. Na yentimi contributing more because the more I better no, more profit no eno bina ebeko. Madam was say na awake nyane royal drinks into nam chrome na upe bibia gum ni mahwehwere na ma drink no royal drinks. What ya say? Sa na jame ho asiesie. Mata dey fi royal couture. O man be bubom di cyber na we Instagram be very active. 2 DM se sia obeti omunka. Minia delay say wo hwehwe delay mackerel and sardine ni biato a. Hwehwe George. Wo Fred George pe George any ubedi in kuta ho. Fred George was 0546 768699. 0546 768699 na oni wundi in kuta ho na. Won hwehwe mo ho kuma say be Easton baby a opese oton bibia no. The ball is in your court. Me pacho. Many delay ni me sponsors ni akese nyina awie maka se Royal Couture na share matade. Nyonyo ena ma me crew aduane. Aligina makeover na ye manim. Esa enso na Palm Royal Beach eso mase. Ena apple pie publicity. Me damo ase McBrown's Kitchen out of where many just make catch us season 3 ye de ba wie ye. Season 4, back on a different level. You know McBrown's Kitchen champion. You do baby, and I'm a champion queen. So now, you did season 3, baby. Madam was say, Master, I will be your YouTube channel. And I was subscribing. Subscribe for me. Watch what we've done from the beginning till now. Nehu Nyanya Hodwa Eba. Michy, thank you so much for gracing McBrown's Kitchen.
Thank you for having me.
Champion!
McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen. Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to Kano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's Kitchen. McBrown's Kitchen.